My name is Huzaib. For a long time, I believed that success meant becoming better than everyone else. In school, students compared marks. In conversations, people compared achievements. Even on social media, everyone tried to look more successful. Slowly, I also started thinking this way. If someone performed better than me, I felt jealous. If someone improved faster, I felt insecure. Without realizing it, competition was changing my mindset. One day, our teacher announced an English speaking competition. I prepared seriously. Every evening, I practiced speaking. I improved my pronunciation. I memorized my points carefully. Another student named Saif was also participating. He was good at speaking English. At first, I saw him as competition. One afternoon, while practicing in class, Saif forgot his lines. He looked nervous. For a moment, I felt something negative inside me. I thought, if he performs badly, my chances of winning will increase. But immediately, I felt uncomfortable. That thought did not feel right. After class, I saw Saif sitting alone. He looked stressed. Then something unexpected happened. I walked toward him and said, "Do you want to practice together?" He looked surprised, but he smiled and agreed. For the next few days, we practiced together. We corrected each other's mistakes. We encouraged each other. And something interesting happened. Instead of feeling jealous, I felt motivated. The competition day arrived. We both performed well. In the end, Saif won first place. For a moment, I felt disappointed. But then I remembered our practice sessions. I remembered how much I had improved. And honestly, I felt happy for him. After the event, our teacher said something important. Competition should help you grow, not make your heart smaller. Those words stayed in my mind. That day, I realized something powerful. You can be ambitious without becoming bitter. You can compete without losing kindness. Because success achieved with negativity never feels peaceful. Now, whenever I see someone doing well, I try to learn from them instead of envying them. Because I understand something clearly. Kindness and growth can exist together. And a good heart is just as important as success.